Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guysini, uThembi Nkosi Mthembu, right? Okay. Jabulani McDonald's reports ukuthi Thembi Nkosi Mthembu secured 4 nominations at the SAFTA's 18 for his roles in the following shows. Mabutu Dimba in The River, Season 5, Best Supporting Actor in a Telenovela. Then Dingiswayo in Shaka Ilembe, Season 1, Best Actor in a TV Drama. Then Ubonga in Adulting, Season 2, Best Actor in a TV Drama. Then Ubandile Biela in Outlaws, Season 1, Best Actor in a Telenovela. This achievement makes him the most nominated actor of the SAFTA's 18. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. Like he, at least, Master City Slulegile. Let us make sure that he gets at least 3 of these because wow, guy has outdone himself. Umabuto wetu is butoring and we are in for it. Please do like, share, and subscribe.